Alright, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look at this application problem and see if we can figure out what we have going on here. The lake is stocked with bass, so this is going to be our new fishing hole. Population of bass in the lake after t years is modeled by the function p is equal to 10 divided by this binomial 1 minus 4 times e raised to the negative 0.8t. So it's only asking us one thing: how many years will it be before the bass population reaches 1,000? All right. So this bass population, P for population, is given through this formula. T is time, and that's what they're wanting. How long? How many years? This P, they're saying, set it equal to 1,000. Let's set this up as a proportion because experience tells me that students are pretty comfortable solving proportions using a technique called cross multiplication. So if we cross multiply, we get 1,000 times this binomial, 1 minus 4 times e to the negative 0.8t, and 10 times 1 is 10. So, in the left-hand side I have two factors. This factor that contains my variable, I want to get it by itself. Let's divide both sides by 1,000. 1 minus 4 times e, 10 divided by 1,000. The decimal point moves over 3 places, so that's 0.01. So the term that contains my variable, let's get it by itself. And we've got 1 minus 0.01. I just switched places with those two terms. So I have this 4e to the negative 0.8t. 1 minus 0.01 is 0.99. Let's divide both sides by 4 to get that e by itself, to get this base that has my variable as an exponent by itself. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we need to take the log base e of both sides. On the left-hand side, since this base is e and this base is e, on the left-hand side, this just reduces to negative 0.8t. On the right-hand side, I'm going to go ahead and write log base e as just natural log, because on my calculator, the button on my calculator doesn't have log base e, it just says ln. It's the same idea, same thing. To get t by itself, we've got two factors here. We divide both sides of this equation by negative 0.8. Negative 0.8 divided by negative 0.8 is just 1. So we're done. We have our answer. They're probably going to want us to give a decimal number. This isn't going to help anybody understand how long it's going to take for our lake to be stocked with this 1,000 fish. So let's go to the calculator. We've got the natural log of 0.99 divided by 4. Close that parenthesis, then divide that by negative 0.8. So in less than 2 years, 1.75 years, 1 3/4 of a year, our lake will have 1,000 bass in it. Alright, so hey, I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later.